Hello guys, in this video we'll discuss manifestation mistakes and how you fix them, because if you clicked on this video, most probably something wrong is happening with your manifestation. Either you're manifesting the polar opposite of what you actually want, like you're manifesting money and you start losing money or something like that, or you have been manifesting for a while and you see no signs that your manifestation is actually near anywhere close. And I have been in your shoes, I have gone through that, and manifestation for me is not something that may happen or may not, like magic, trick, etc. For me this is very close to goal setting, goal getting. So the only reason why your manifestation may not happen is that you are like literally giving up on it, or you are doing something wrong, you're making some mistakes and you don't realize that you make them, and then you get disappointed and give up. So in this video we'll discuss popular manifestation mistakes, and therefore I'll give you the ways how you can correct them. Let's start with the first one. What do you do when your whole world is kind of collapsing and you're getting the polar opposite of your manifestation? Is the universe testing you? Like, should things get wrong before they get good or whatever? And I have my personal example for you to enjoy. So basically, a lot of you guys know that I have manifested my new job like in the matter of like couple days after I actually logged in and started manifesting it properly. But the whole picture is way bigger. Like this, like I manifested it like that after I actually started doing stuff correctly. But the whole story is that I have been manifesting specific type of salary, specific type of life for years, and I was not able to make it. Everything was like just falling apart in my world. I was getting less clients right after I was starting manifesting, and like I was losing money rather than opposite to getting money, right? And I was thinking that this is my fault, and I was giving up on my manifestation, and I was going into 3D to change situation. And as you see, I have manifested my work and my position only after I actually have shifted like things here. Because the reason why I wasn't getting my manifestation, first, I was absolutely inconsistent. Second, my nervous system was absolutely dysregulated, and I thought that I have to do so much stuff in 3D, like hustle super hard in order to get money. And the second that I shifted this thought in my head is when I actually got my job, that when I like said how much I want to make, they were like, okay. The thing is, like, I have been in your shoes, and the thing that I currently did is, obviously I am giving a lot of value here, but if you want to work with me in a more close way, I have actually combined all of this knowledge into one manifestation program and plus 30 days manifestation challenge with all the rules, accountability, clear steps and roadmap that I will guide you through, and I will help you get your shit and actually see the real change happening in your world, okay? And if this is something you're interested in, you may check it out on Patreon, links will be down below. So now let's proceed with the like other steps that I did. So right after I actually stopped caring about 3D reality, 3D reality collapsing, and I just logged in on my manifestation and the fact that I am getting my stuff no matter what. I am tired from waiting so much time. This time I will not give up. The things started shifting. Do things have to get worse before it gets better? No. And actually they don't, because everything that is happening around you is just like the thing happening, but your nervous system is so dysregulated that you are considering all of these things to be your like a personal attack at you. So this is not just client leaving, they are leaving because you are a bad like salesperson, you're a bad businessman, your product is shit, etc., and you will never make money. Like, you see the difference between like the client just leaving and like all of that stuff. the things do not have to get worse before they get better. Also, this is the law of assumption. So if you believe in that like things have to get worse before your stuff is coming to you, this is what you're going to see in your reality due to the observer effect. So like you have heard in my video about how science proves manifestation is real, that there is such thing in the quantum physics as observer effect. So whenever the scientist, whenever the observer expects electrons to appear, this is exactly where this electron appearing. And we are all a bunch of the electrons. So nothing is in our universe is set in stone. And if it was, we wouldn't be able to change basically anything, right? So what you expect the most basically becomes the self-fulfilling prophecy. And every time you're manifesting something, you're already setting for yourself the assumption like, oh, it should get worse before it gets better. And you expect it, you're locked in on it. But like, it should not. Like, it doesn't have to be like that. And like, every time you think that the universe is testing you, no one is testing you. Like, universe doesn't give a damn about anyone. Like, universe isn't like even the like party in your manifestation. You are your own universe, and you decide how things will go and how you will see them, right? Because your manifestation already exists. Like, manifestation is instant. All of these things exist on your playground of like reality that you perceive through your glasses, but through your reticular activating system, through your focus of the brain on the negative stuff, you are choosing only stuff like that appears to you to be negative and proving your point. And this is why it's so important to understand why certain things are happening to you, and also to hold yourself accountable when you are manifesting. Because when you are like doing like couple of things in the day, then you get disappointed because you don't see your desire immediately, and you just like have the poor mental diet, you just trash talk your inner dialogue, and then like you think, oh, but I put so much time and effort into manifesting, like, but this is still not there, this means manifestation doesn't work. But the point is that you put a lot of effort not into manifesting, but in thinking why your stuff is not there, right? And basically, like, this is also one of the things that I included into this manifestation challenge. Like, you can do it here independently, but again, you may want to check it out. There is the whole accountability page with the clear advice on how you can make your mental diet better every day, how you can keep yourself accountable. And if you like do all of these things, you literally become laser focused, you use this advice, you will get your stuff. Because like, look, why are you not going to get your manifestation? So like, you would say that, oh, this is not possible. But if even one person got out of nowhere the stuff that you are manifesting, it means that it is possible. Like, it's not possible for you because you like give it no chance to happen. Like, and you just convinced yourself that this is not possible. So there's so many things that we have like brought into existence with our regular like 3D mind that was not possible for people 100 years ago, 50 years ago, like even 20 years ago, and this is absolutely possible now, right? So I hope that this is clear. The next stuff, science. You may actually be very like concentrated on science, and honestly, I absolutely hate when people are like even getting signs that their manifestation is near, because it can actually be blocking your manifestation further. And now let me explain. So when I was manifesting my job, like the final step, I got 0 signs that this is near. I didn't get like any I don't know, I didn't get any new opportunities in that period till it manifested. I wanted to get my job in the very specific way with very specific people, and it was like super niche and super specific. I didn't get like nothing. Like these people were not writing me more. These people were not like super willing to like get me from my previous job or whatsoever. But the moment I happened to be one-on-one with this person in real life, immediately like I got the job. I got the offer to this job. So the point is, some people receive signs, some people don't receive any signs. Your point is to keep going, because a lot of people do the next mistake. They see signs that their manifestation is working. They start getting more interest from the clients. They start getting like more, like they start seeing the name of their specific person, or they start like getting a little bit more attention from them or anything like that. And then what you do is basically, oh, it's working. Nice. And then you stop putting the work in, and then you stop putting the mental effort in. You stop changing yourself because you see that it's working. Means that you are a changed person. You don't have to do anything anymore. And then like you get this sign, and then everything drops, and you're like, why? Why am I getting only signs? Because you're fixated on the signs and you don't put the other work in. So what we do is that we basically keep doing the work till we receive our full manifestation, right? And this is also what was keeping me like apart from the like lifestyle that I wanted to manifest. The moment I was seeing like bad signs or even good signs, like when I was seeing a little bit more of the interest from the clients, I was like, oh, it's working, I don't have to keep affirming, I don't have to do anything. And then it was dropping, I was getting disappointed, and yada yada yada. So like, look, the way to your manifestation is like super clear. You have your desire, you think as if you already got it. You change like your assumptions and beliefs through repetition and the preferred way of manifesting for you. You keep doing this till you get your stuff, and you keep good mental diet. This is it. This is literally the way. When you are laser focused on your stuff, you get it faster. And I dare you to also do the challenge with us. What would be the rules? You get 30 days challenge. Most of you guys have basically voted for manifesting the specific desire challenge. So you have 30 days. For these 30 days, you are coming up for yourself with the set of affirmations, and every day you basically like work on this. But your goal is not to just go another 30 days through another challenge that you have already heard about and you have done it with other people. My focus on this challenge is every day. Your point in the next 30 days, you have 1 day challenge for the next 30 days with the clear accountability, with the clear set of rules you have to do. I am sure that you will get your stuff so much faster than 30 days when you actually lock in. When you affirm, you do this 2-3 times a day, you are not wavering, you're keeping clean mental diet, you regulate your nervous system. This is a must. Like, this is a must, especially if you cannot keep clean mental diet. This is the thing that can make or break it. You hold yourself accountable and you work on your self-concept. I have the video about self-concept there, how to manifest anything. This is what I mean. Go and check it out. Every day is your challenge. After you go through this, like, just let me know how fast your manifestation is going to happen. I have there are so many success stories under my other videos here on YouTube, when people just locked in, they got their stuff like in a couple of days. Literally, like when you lock in. I am the example for that as well. You see tons of manifestation success stories that I post on this channel. I just do what I know to do. And again, you can do it with us here. I will be waiting for your manifestation success stories, if you want deeper support, you want more accountability, you want the exact challenge template that I have came up with, link is in description and in comments. Go check it out. I'll be happy to have you here and keep sharing my knowledge here with you on YouTube to hear more manifestation success stories from you. If you have any questions, post them in comments. I always answer, and I'll see you soon in my next videos.